to our dearest sassy girl, Aina. As you turn 18 today, we wish you a blessed birthday. This is now a turning point to adulthood. So welcome to the real world that is full of challenges, uncertainties, and soon you will realize that life is not a fairy tale at all. It is now depending on how you will sail your own ship, but always remember to be strong and have faith in our Lord. Always seek guidance from our Lord for all your decisions and for the achievement of your ultimate goal. For all these difficulties that you might encounter in your life, always remember that you may bleed, you may cry, but don't ever give up. Giving up is not ever an option to succeed. We are also here to guide and give you some advice if needed. We are as message away. Mahal kasi ang long distance call. So once again, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day. Love, Tita Keng, Tita Nene, Bell, and Sus. Para po sa inyo, ma'am.
Ngayon lang din po namin yun ang message para sa mga nagpadala nito. Ano po yung gusto nyo sabihin sa kanila, mapapanood po nila ito?
Haba-haba eh.
Thank you.
Okay na po, ma'am? Ma'am, happy birthday po and God bless your family po. Ma'am, ito naman po ay remembrance namin. Galing po nyo, hawak ka na po para mag-birthday. Happy birthday po ulit, ma'am!
Okay po, ma'am. Dito po ang ticket.
Ay na din eh.
Okay po, 1, 2, 3.
Okay na, ma'am.
Pero
Ano po sasama?